I'm rather worried because we have Izzy the cat, who I think is going to knock everything over, and she's meowing a bit. So that's what the strange noises are if it comes. Right, synonyms. These are alternative words, substitute words. So you can use the same word in the same sentence and mean the same thing. Now, Rachel got given a box of black magic for, when did she get for Christmas? We do not have any kind of deal with black magic. She just happens to go have it because she likes it. But have a look at this. These are the number of synonyms for covered in. It says whole roasted hazelnut set in heavenly praline, golden flowing caramel held in a dark chocolate heart, fruity raspberry encased in delicious dark chocolate, midnight truffle, it hasn't got anything, it's just rich with cocoa, another square, tangy orange fondant draped in dark chocolate, almond crunch immersed in dark chocolate, creamy fudge enveloped in dark chocolate, and coffee croissant wrapped in dark chocolate. They must have had fun writing that. I do hope they had plenty of chocolate just to keep them in the mood. See you soon.